Road condition was very bad. Wet crossing, you risk everything. The floods come in, the rain comes down, then you're not going to the market, or you're not going to send your cocoa to the ports. So it's very bad and slow, very slow.
Bougainville's Department of Technical Services continues to work hard to maintain the island's main trunk roads. In partnership with the Papua New Guinea Australia Transport Sector Support Program, essential maintenance works and road improvements have established a safer, more reliable road network. This network acts as a catalyst to boost the region's growth.
The partnership has helped in increased economic activities, especially when the roads have been improved.
Agriculture is a vital part of Bougainville's economy. The cocoa industry provides livelihoods for many families, and good roads are essential to get crops to market.
The partnership between the Australian government and the autonomous Bougainville government has actually helped the economy of the island move forward. Bougainville road network is a driver for economic development.
Cocoa from Bougainville is very high quality and sold internationally. Safer, more reliable roads ensure that the beans get to the port on time.
But now, big change. Everything's running smoothly. Everything is easier. Roads to the ports are better and makes our job easier. Costs us less and much safer. Taking cocoa to the ports is much easier and travel times are down, costs down.